everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel for the Fun Affiliate family. I'm Julie and I'm here today to tell you how you can make money online creating ebooks. That's right, just look at Fiverr. You've got people here that will write your ebook starting at $900. Now this person does have experience, but that could be you in a short while. Check out the different packages they have. Up to $3,000 for writing a 20,000 word ebook. How can you do it? Well, I've got one suggestion, Sqribble. All right, so check it out. Well, I'm going to show you all about Sqribble. There is a link in the description of this video for you to look at it. And right now we're just going to head on over to Sqribble and I'll show you around. All right, so here we are at Sqribble. As you can tell, there are lots of different options over here that you can do. We have the professional, but depends on how much money you're making. You can always scale your business and start making more. I'm going to show you right now some of the templates that you can use to create an ebook. Now, an ebook is an electronic book, if you didn't know. People use those sometimes as free gifts if they're doing marketing campaigns. And then also some people give them out to their clients. If they are, let's say, a financial person may give it to someone, or they may give them even to new hires that they're hiring into their business. As you can tell, there are a lot of different templates here for you to choose from. If you see one you like and you want to look on the inside, you would just click down here at this eye and it will open it up and you can check the inside graphics. As you can tell here, you can change all of this. All the text can be changed. The text is Latin at the moment. It is just a placeholder. You will import your information or your client's information and create your own ebook. You can even change the pictures around. You can add pages. You can make it more than just the few pages you see here as an example. Now, when you do a book, you need to get your information from different sources. You can get your information from your client, from yourself. You can actually get your information from the internet, but Sqribble also has information of their own. So I'm just going to pick this one, the easy email marketing. We're going to use this one. I'm just going to name it My Book, and we're going to create our ebook. There it is. There is your cover. Now you can click here. You can change the wording. You can change the name of the author, because if that's things you're going to want to put your client's name or your name. Table of contents, you can change that around once you've written your book. You can change the heading. You can make it italicized. You can add links. There are a lot of things you can do with this. You have your images here. They even have a database of images. So let's say you want to change this. You can click over here, upload your own image, or get the stock photos as well. Okay, so when you are done creating your book, you can publish your book. You can create it as like a file on the internet, or you can create it as a PDF and mail it to people. You can print it out and give out to people as well. So there are a lot of things you can do. Now, when you are creating your interior, like say for this paragraph here, and you want to add content, you can get content from other news articles or articles online. You can upload a Word file if your client gives you one, or if you've written information that you want to include. You can copy and paste text, or you can get articles from this collection. I will warn you a little bit about these articles. You're going to have to sift through them because some I have found are a little out of date, but you can preview it by clicking preview on the article that you're interested in. And then you can read the article and see what of this you can use, and some of it you may be able to use all of it. So if you decide you do want to use that article, you will just click, make sure the blue dot over here, add content, and it will add it to your book. Add it to your ebook. It will add it here. You will just copy and paste it wherever you want it to, to go. Like I said, you want to read through this information and make sure that you want to include all of it. You can rewrite some of it, but these are all content provided to you by Sqribble. So the royalties, it's royalty free. So you should be safe to use that. And let's see, that's pretty much the overview for Sqribble. And like I said, you can use this to create ebooks for multiple different reasons. Okay, well, thanks for watching my review of Sqribble. I do have a link to Sqribble in the description of this video, so please check that out. Click on that link. Also, while you're clicking around, leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought of the video. And don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, all those good things. And we hope to see you here back next time when we do another review. So, ta-ta for now. Have a great day. Don't forget, keep learning so you can keep earning. Bye.